Hello and welcome back to Expedition Homestead. I want to thank you so much for tuning into the channel today, and thank you for all of the support that we've gotten over these last few years. We are about to reach 50,000 subscribers, which is why I'm making today's video. To celebrate 50,000 subscribers, we're going to be doing a special live Q&A session with the community. But I'm looking for your feedback before we do that. I want to know if you would like the video to be just me like normal, or if you'd like my wife to join me. And possibly some of you might want to see if my son, my 5-year-old son, would like to answer a couple of questions as well, because he loves gardening too. So just comment down below what you would like to see for the Q&A. That's all I'm asking for. We want to make sure that this session is as enjoyable for the community as possible, so please leave your feedback down below. So, wow, before I end today's video, again, it's going to be a quick video, but I just have to thank you all so much for your support. 50,000 subscribers is such a blessing, and I'm seeing more and more return out of the community and out of what we're building here each and every day. The fact is that I'm not only advancing my gardening skills all of the time, but I'm also seeing a lot of other people around the world grow in their gardening skills as well, which I believe overall will lead to a better place to live in, a better world for us all. So thank you. Thank you so much. It's been such a great ride. I enjoy making these videos so much, and I plan on doing them for basically the rest of my life. So if you enjoy the channel's content and haven't already subscribed, please do so. Hit that bell button so you can be notified of every time we come out with some new content. And of course, give us a thumbs up. Thank you again so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.